Thinking about building your dream home but stuck at a crossroads? Do you go for a classic, traditional house or jump on the trend of a modern barndominium? It's a huge decision, but don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you. In this video, we're doing a side-by-side comparison to help you figure out which one is the perfect fit for your life. First, let's get a clear picture of what we're talking about. A traditional home is what most of us grew up with. Think classic brick, siding, or wood construction, with familiar layouts that fit neatly into suburban neighborhoods. They have that timeless, comforting feel. On the other hand, a barndominium, or barndo, is a game changer. It's typically a metal or hybrid structure, often built from a pre-engineered steel building kit. The hallmark of a barndo is its incredibly open floor plan, sometimes combining your living space with a massive workshop, garage, or even a studio. Both have their own unique charms and drawbacks, and the best choice really boils down to your budget, lifestyle, and what you want in a home. Now, let's talk money, the factor that's on everyone's mind. Building a barndominium generally costs between $80 to $150 per square foot. The wide-open layouts and potential for DIYing large parts of the build can bring costs down significantly. Plus, the metal shell often means lower long-term maintenance costs. A traditional home usually starts higher, ranging from about $120 to $250 per square foot. This is due to higher labor costs, more expensive materials like brick and lumber, and the complex finishes that are often standard. But remember, no matter which route you choose, there are always hidden costs to budget for. Things like permits, inspections, preparing the land, and connecting utilities can add up. So be sure to factor those in from the start. Next up is design and space flexibility. This is where barndominiums truly shine. Their open concept design is a blank canvas. You can create soaring ceilings, huge open-plan living and kitchen areas, and easily integrate massive workshops, garages, or even horse stalls right into your home's footprint. The layouts are incredibly adaptable, making it easy to add lofts or change the interior walls later on. Traditional homes, by contrast, are more structured. They have defined rooms like separate living rooms, dining rooms, and bedrooms. While this provides privacy and a conventional flow, it's less flexible if you want to make major changes or add a large, integrated workspace down the road. So, think about your lifestyle. If you're a hobbyist, an artist, or someone who loves that wide-open feel, a barndo might be your dream. If you prefer a more classic, family-focused layout with defined spaces, a traditional home could be the way to go. Let's talk about durability and maintenance. Because nobody wants to spend all their weekends doing repairs, barndominiums have a major advantage here. Their metal exteriors are incredibly durable, low maintenance, and resistant to things like pests, rot, and even fire. You won't be repainting siding every few years or worrying about termites. Traditional homes require more upkeep. Depending on the material, you'll need to regularly maintain the roof, siding, and paint. Wood structures can be susceptible to termites or rot if not properly cared for. So it's a trade-off between classic aesthetics and ongoing maintenance. What about energy efficiency? This is a common question, especially with metal buildings. A barndominium can be extremely energy efficient, but it all comes down to proper insulation. Metal conducts heat and cold very well, so if you skimp on insulation, your energy bills could be high. However, with high-quality spray foam insulation, you can create a super-insulated, airtight shell that's very efficient to heat and cool. Traditional homes come with standard insulation and window options, and because their construction methods are so common, it can be easier to find contractors who know how to retrofit them for better energy efficiency later on. So, in both cases, investing in good insulation is key. Now let us tie this all back to your lifestyle and how you'll actually use the space. Barndominiums are perfect for the DIY enthusiast, the car collector, the small business owner who needs a workshop, or anyone who craves a minimalist, industrial chic aesthetic. They offer a unique blend of living and working under one roof. Traditional homes are a fantastic choice for those who value a familiar living experience, the sense of community in a neighborhood, and layouts designed for family life. They offer that classic, cozy home feeling that many people are looking for. Finally, let's consider resale value and market appeal, because your home is also an investment. Traditional homes have a broader appeal across most markets, whether urban, suburban, or rural. They are what most home buyers are familiar with, which generally makes them easier to sell. Barndominiums are gaining popularity, especially in rural areas where land is plentiful. However, in a dense suburban neighborhood, a barndo might be seen as unconventional, which could narrow your pool of potential buyers. The market is changing, though, and as more people discover their benefits, their appeal is definitely growing. To help you visualize the difference, imagine this: on one side, you have a sleek, modern barndo. Inside, it's one vast, open space with a 20-foot ceiling, a spiral staircase leading to a loft bedroom, and a massive glass garage door that opens up to a patio. The kitchen flows right into the living area, and on the other side of a wall is a fully equipped workshop for your projects. Now, picture a beautiful traditional home. It has a charming brick exterior, a welcoming front porch, a formal dining room for family dinners, a cozy living room with a fireplace, and separate bedrooms upstairs for privacy. Each one has its own unique appeal, right? So, which should you choose? Let's recap. A barndominium is your go-to for lower initial costs, incredible design flexibility, low maintenance, and a lifestyle that blends living with your passions. A traditional home is the winner for broader resale appeal, familiar layouts, and fitting into established neighborhoods. Ultimately, the right choice comes down to your personal priorities. Ask yourself, what's my budget? What does my daily life look like? How much maintenance am I willing to do? Where do I want to live? And what are my plans for the future? Whether you go for a barndo or a traditional home, the most important thing is that you build a space that truly fits your life. I hope this comparison helped make your decision a little clearer. If you enjoyed this video and want more home building tips, inspiration, and plan ideas, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.